This rain looks like a long night of this, right?
Yeah, well, we're going to finish with it, say, 1 o'clock in the morning, and then we get ready for some good-looking weather to return. But, Maurice he's on point here. It's not a nice night out there. It's just not. I mean, take a peek here. Numbers, we've been mild enough there, but let's look at some rainfall numbers because nobody had any big, giant number out there. I mean, the biggest one you're going to find, we have found an inch now in Saugerties, about a half an inch for Lebanon, New Jersey, Greenwood Lake, New York, about a half an inch as well. Right now, New York City, you're barely to a tenth of an inch of rain. Here's what you should be planning on. The next few hours, things will get worse in terms of the rain. Now, the rain is never going to become, horrific, but it's going to ramp.
With the pocket bounce pass, I think the Bulls, if they can keep it at this type of scoring,
Up a bit in its intensity. It's mostly clear by the morning hours. Friday will end up being a nice looking day. And then let's talk about snow this weekend. I've heard some people utter it in the newsroom, and we've chatted a little bit out here. I want to just quickly dispel the rumors because this is what we see when we talk about snow this weekend. Right there. It's not much of anything. It would be, maybe late Saturday going to early Sunday. A little system moves through. Maybe the higher elevated spots of Sullivan, Ulster County see a little snowflake out there. Not too much. Not a lot of available moisture, quite frankly, but that's the way we see that. So it's not a widespread event. Temperature trend, you were cold on Tuesday with a high of 49. Mild today at 64. Not a pretty looking day, but they go right back down to those 49, 50-degree readings by the time you get to the weekend. Bigger picture shows you, we have light rain on top of our area right now. It is going to be pushing through, so it intensifies. We deal with that tonight. Gone by tomorrow. And I'll tell you, it looks great after that. And I will also tell you that right now, looking ahead, it looks pretty good for Thanksgiving as well. I don't see the winds rearing their ugly head. Not as of right now. It's subject to change, but it looks pretty good out there. Vortex satellite and radar. This is important because you see the transition out there just the way I see it. I mean, it was a very light shower, which is a light green color. Now it transitions to a dark green, and now you see those specks of yellow out there showing you that it is getting a little heavier in spots. Winds currently gusting 24 miles per hour in the city, 26 Babylon, 23 White Plains. So for the most part, it's a gusty evening, and for tomorrow, it's breezy. It's going to go down a notch. Instead of like 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts, more like 15 to 25 mile per gusts for your day on Friday. So a breezy looking one out there, but the sky will be brighter. So across the board, 57 for Friday. The sun will come back in the second half of the day. Saturday and Sunday, you're chilly out there. 50 Saturday, 47 on Sunday. And again, overnight Saturday going into Sunday could be a little bit of precipitation out there. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, temperatures in the upper 40s, lower 50s. Right now, Thanksgiving Day looks to be about 54 degrees with sunshine. And from what I can see currently, I don't think the winds are going to be a problem.